Ford SVO Motorsport Power. Tricky truck to drive. By rule, they have to have an active suspension underneath there. You'll see Dave on and off the throttle, trying to settle this truck down several times, I expect. Track is a little bit on the loose side. That's a good thing. That will help him maintain control because the tires will break free. They won't get a whole lot of grip. Green lights and green flags for Dave Sacra. He'll give chase to Aaron Mazur.